Can you guys spot the problem? Well, I could using my IP camera. So I wasn't planning, I was here just yesterday, wasn't planning to go back for at least a couple of days. But when I saw the chive here dying, I decided that I had to. So I have some sort of, I disconnected just now. I'm having some sort of pump failure here. So I'm gonna open up and we can take a while figure out what the hell went wrong with this pump. So I took everything apart. I already washed away some of the dirt from the exterior of the pump, but like you guys can see here on the cable, it was heavily dirty. The inside is even worse. The rotor here, there's a thick gunk. This was probably preventing it from spinning. Here was also locked because you can actually rotate this. This is a synchronous motor. The fact that the blades can rotate while the magnetic rotor is actually standing still, it facilitates the start of the pump. But since it was blocked, this pump probably stopped for some reason, maybe the stick gunk, and wasn't able to actually restart. So I gotta wash it off all the pieces. The shaft is also worn out, so I got here a new one. Got lots of these, they're quite handy. So I'm going to replace and reassemble the pump. Put out all the pieces together. There we go, much better. The pump, I mean, the pipe is still quite dirty. So let's put it to rest. Over there. All the way to the bottom. Open up this step. And let's give it a try. There we go. And here's the water. So everything should be alright with my plants. Yep, that was a quick fix. I need to put the filters back on. But while I'm here, let's show you guys my soil garden. Got 3 cucumbers here. This is an eggplant. Quite chili pepper. Salvia, another pepper. Eggplant, and the mint that was here in the NFT. Now I have this one here that will definitely bounce back because there's water flowing. Oh, I had to turn off the main pump so I could work on the secondary secondary radial flow filter. So now that everything's alright, I got a lovely bush tomato here. Are growing everywhere. Need to trim them a little bit back. And the fish, well, since I'm here, they're waiting for my share of food. Catch you guys next time.